Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, if you're not sure if you had the new features of Windows 11 with the update yesterday, well, one of the sure ways to let you know that it is there is the weather on the bottom left. Now, I will answer two questions on this video about the weather on the bottom left, and these are tied to the widgets. A lot of people said, oh, I'd love to have the weather, but I don't have it. Well, that's because it's possible that your widgets have been turned off because you don't use them. And the weather is tied to the widgets, which means widgets needs to be on. If you have the weather, you have no choice. One of the negative side to it is when you hover over the weather, you actually have the widgets panel automatically pop up. I haven't found a way to really make this, not pop up automatically, unfortunately. It would have been fun if they added a feature where you could just click and say, well, I want to pop up only if I click on it. Like the news and interest panel if you want. So if you want the weather, turn on the widgets. If you don't want the weather, you got to turn off the widgets. How do you do this? Simply go to your Windows right-click on the taskbar, Go to the taskbar settings. And the taskbar settings, first thing you'll see is widgets at the top. You see it's on for me. That's why I got a weather. That's also why I got the widgets fly out. If I turn it off, the weather goes away. And I also lose the widgets. So this is how you simply will, toggle on or off the weather on the taskbar. And at the same time, you want weather, you have widgets. No weather, no widgets. That's pretty much it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.